girl, I know this. Girl, I know, 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 girl, I know this might seem strange. No, girl, I know, 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 girl, I know this. Girl, I know, 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 girl, I know.
Love me. Love me. Love me. Love me. Love me. Love me. You love me. Love me. Love me. You love me. And I just want you to know that you are really special. And I just want you to know that you are really special.
Oh yeah, there's something about you.
Love me. Love me. Love me. Love me. Hey. Love me. Love me. Love me. Love me. And I just want you to know that you are really special. And I just want you to know that you are really special.
Oh yeah, there's something about you.
Love me. Love me. Love me. Love me. Hey. Love me. Love me. Love me.
guys, welcome back to my channel. Of course y'all know how I do. I'm coming through to give you all some information about this hair. So I was sent this hair from HJ Wig Beauty. Thank you guys so much for sending me this hair. They sent me out 4 bundles and a frontal of their Brazilian straight, and I have 4 24-inch bundles and 1 20-inch lace frontal. Now I've been able to wear this hair for the past couple of weeks, and I've worn it mostly in a straight texture. So this is my first time actually putting, well, not heat, because I put heat on the hair to straighten it, but this is my first time like curling it or adding any type of wave action to it. And I wanted to crimp my hair today, or deep wave my hair. And one thing I wanted to mention about this hair that I was sent from this company is that the frontal is bomb.com. The frontal is bomb.com. The density on the frontal is love. The knots bleached like a dream. Okay, it did not even take the knots that long to change. It took about 15 minutes. I used a 30 volume developer with the bleach that I used, and it took literally 15 minutes for the knots to change. The way that they had their knots on the wig is like single knotted. If I'm not mistaken, if I'm telling the tale, please HJ Weave put the correct information down below if I'm telling any lies. But from what I observed is that each knot that they use, you know, each knot of hair on the frontal is like single knotted, I think. It's no more than 2 knots, but it's not like those jumbo knots. Y'all know what I'm talking about? Y'all, anybody that does frontals a lot, or y'all mess with frontals a lot, y'all know what I'm talking about. Sometimes companies, they'll send it where it's single knotted in the front, so you get that seamless look in the front, but then in the back it's like double, triple knotted, so it's a lot of density in the back. It just looks ugly. The knots, the bigger the knots, the uglier it looks to me. But every single knot, okay, is single knotted, or it's just very fine. Like the density on this frontal is superb, y'all. Like I freaking love this frontal. With this frontal, the first thing I noticed was how thin the lace is. It is soft, and it is thin, so it sinks into your skin. The meltdown, baby, is everything. The meltdown is everything. The hairline was pre-plucked. It really took me like 15 minutes to pluck this frontal. I kid you not, it did not take me long to pluck this frontal, okay? And it looks so good. It looks so good, y'all. When they reached out to me to work with them, I was so excited, because I've heard nothing but good things about HJ Weave, and I wanted to see for myself, you know, how good it was. The quality is there. The quality is there. This is my opinion. So of course, if you have tried this hair or this company with other textures, please be sure to leave your experience down below. But from the research I've done and from what I've, you know, been experiencing as I've been wearing this unit, the quality is there. The quality is there. Now, one thing I can say about the bundles of hair, the bundles, they're kind of like what mine were like when I received, like the ends, they were more like a number 2. And up top, you can see like it was more of the 1B, but the bottom of the ends were like number 2, which is not bad. I had no issues with that. Of course, if you don't like that, you may want to dye your hair, but I did want to mention that. But I had no issues with that. But I just thought that, I actually liked the light ends. I thought it was kind of cute, so I had no issues with that. Just wanted to mention it. But yeah, y'all, that is all I wanted to say. I do hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, please be sure to give me a big old thumbs up so I know. If you are not a subscriber, I really wish you would consider joining the family on today. I don't think you will regret it. I'll be waiting on you all with open arms, of course. Also, don't forget to hit that bell button if you want to stay notified of anytime I upload in the future. But I am getting up out of here, you guys. I hope you all enjoy your day or night whenever you all are watching this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much. Bye, y'all.